In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a questionnaire in Notion. Notion is a versatile tool that can be used for a wide array of tasks, and making a questionnaire is one of them. If you haven't done this before, don't worry. I'll guide you through the entire process step by step, making it as easy and seamless as possible. To start things off, you'll need to open a page in Notion. This is your blank canvas where you'll create your questionnaire. Once your page is open, go ahead and type in word gouge form directly onto your page. This command will help you create a form, which is the foundation of your questionnaire. Now, every form needs a title to give your respondents some context. Go ahead and type in your form's title. This should be descriptive enough to let anyone know what your questionnaire is about with just a quick glance. With your form in place, you'll notice it's time to move on to add the very first question. Click on question 1 to begin crafting it. Type in your question, keeping in mind what information you're looking to gather from your respondents. As they say, great results start with asking great questions, so take your time to formulate them properly. Once you've written your question, it's also essential to think about the type of response you want. Click on the respondent's answer space and customize it to match the kind of data you're collecting. This could be a short or long text box, a multiple choice option, or whatever suits your questionnaire best. This customization ability makes it easier for you to organize and analyze the responses later on. Now that your first question is ready, it's time to add a second one. Click on question 2 to start the process again. Just like before, type in your next question, making sure it's clear and concise. Then, for any multiple choice formats, click on option 1 to start adding in your first choice. Continue typing all the necessary choices to complete your query. If you're looking to add more questions, simply click on the plus sign below your current questions. This will insert a new question in your form and you can go through the same steps. Writing your question, determining the answer type, and inputting options if needed. Don't forget to follow any on-screen prompts as they'll provide guidance and help ensure you're on the right track throughout the process. And there you have it, a complete questionnaire ready to go and collect responses. Remember that a well-structured questionnaire is a powerful tool, enabling you to gather insightful data efficiently. Once you're satisfied with your questions and layout, your questionnaire in Notion is all set to be shared with others. Have fun exploring the insights your audience will undoubtedly provide. Thanks for watching, and happy Notion designing.